guys.
Hey guys.
Second day in Chiang Mai. We're about to go.
Love it here.
Oh, so amazing. We're gonna look for some street food right now. Which way should we go?
Probably that way. We
Okay.
saw some good meat sticks.
Yeah. Just gonna get a quick little snack before we go to where we're going.
A cooking class.
Yes, we're taking a Chiang Mai cooking class.
Well, here's the thing. We have never tasted something so special as khao soi ever, and we need to learn how to make it.
Oh my goodness, it was so fire. It's probably best soup I've ever had in my life. You?
Yeah. I mean, it's up there with bosole, like a really good bosole, but I think I like it better.
Yeah, and I think that it might be one of the top 10 things I probably have ever had. Maybe.
Same.
So yeah, we're excited about this class tonight, or this evening. It's leaving here in like an hour. Oh, not an hour, half hour actually.
They're teaching us how to make several things.
Yeah.
One is Thai tea, which is one of my favorites also.
Yep.
And one is mango sticky rice.
Yep.
Another one of my favorites.
My favorite too.
Khao soi, and I think some other things, but we'll take you along. We're really excited about it. It costs 1,000 baht per person.
Right.
Which I think is like
$25. Yeah.
Yeah. Like $25 per person.
Yep.
And they pick you up.
Perfect.
They take you, I think it also includes grocery shopping.
Yeah.
An organic garden.
Yeah.
Picking your stuff from the ingredients from an organic garden. You get your own cooking station, and I think there's a photographer there that takes pictures and stuff like that.
Should be really, really cool. So we're gonna go grab some, like I said, we'll go grab a snack, and then we'll be on our way.
I hope you heard all of that. I wasn't speaking very loudly because I'm not mic'd, but if not, we'll find it in the footage and we'll write captions.
Yes.
Oh look, turn around. This is the little red.
This is a little red truck. You can get on there, and you can take a ride wherever you want to go, and pretty affordable from what we hear.
30 baht per person.
Somebody's cooking right here.
Oh, fantastic.
All right, cool. All right.
Oh, that smells
Smells
good.
amazing. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right, we got the food. That was nice and quick.
Got snacks.
Took 1 minute.
Okay, let me give you one so you can try it.
Let's see.
These were only 12 baht each.
Right, which is, I don't know. 1 baht is 34 baht is $1. So this is 12 baht. All right, let's go. That's fire. So we got 5 of those for 60 baht. So it's less than $2.
Less than $2.
So we're here waiting for our ride to the cooking class. And yeah, we just found out who it was that said hi to us back in Bangkok. And who was it?
It was Danny and Diggy.
Yeah. So yeah, we were they're fellow YouTubers, and we saw them. They were in Bangkok as well. We followed them a few weeks ago because they just got tattoos, and I was interested in seeing their tattoo artists. Didn't have time in Bangkok though. But yeah, that was pretty cool.
But look at how the universe brought us together.
Yeah.
We just got a DM from Danny and Diggy saying, "Did you realize it was me who waved at you the other day on the river?" I'm like, how bizarre is that? That was the river boat tour that we told you was a total tourist trap.
Right, and we actually mentioned we saw somebody that said hi to us, but now we know who it was.
Now we know who it was.
It was too fast earlier. We couldn't really tell.
So fast.
So, yeah.
So thank you, Kap Kung Ka. It was so lovely seeing you.
Kap Kung Krap. Yes. All right, so it begins. We're here for the class, or getting picked up, and I'm gonna make some good food in a few.
I recommend you taste it. For this, lontong look like orangey. For this one.
And what is it called?
Lontong.
Longgong.
Longgong.
Is it a fruit?
Food. in
Fruit.
Thailand. Yeah,
Fruit
food.
Fruit.
Food. Can try it.
Yeah.
Have it so sweet or sour.
That's good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's-
Pretty cool learning all this stuff.
Okay, thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ คุณป้าขอบคุณค่ะแหละ
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
in Chiang Mai.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. ขอบคุณเจ้า
ภาษาจีนไหนเจ๊ยังงงเลย
มีคุณเจ้า
ขอบคุณเจ้า
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 ขอบคุณค่ะ in เชียงใหม่
yeah.
Yes, it's different.
Oh, different. But you say thank you very much.
You say ขอบคุณเจ้า
ขอบคุณเจ้า
ขอบคุณเจ้าของยูขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ the same
Welcome to Chiao.
Yeah, ขอบ
Okay.
คุณเจ้า
We're
learning.
Chiang Mai speak.
Yes.
Inside the garden we have for the ingredient the first one ค่ะ this is a lamb tea Yeah.
Yes.
The lamb tea ค่ะ for the lamb tea like this is a normal or the normal lamb the normal lamb lamb tree
It's a double leaf kaffir lime leaf, and it's used in a lot of Thai cooking.
but for the food
especially
of
the
kaffir
soups.
lamb everyone you can compare the skin
the smell.
but
Caminando, sembrando ley, caminando por el mundo del rey. Toda la cosa que he encontrado, todo el amor obsesionado. Vida por la línea de la costa, escucho la belleza de tu risa. Nunca jamás te dejo de mi vista. Siempre listo, siempre dispuesta. Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sembrando el amor sin parar.
First time I made Thai tea. Team Khao Soi.
this for you ค่ะ
Green curry's here.
green curry
Thank you.
Everyone before we share we start with the ingredient we make ingredient for green curry okay for green curry ค่ะ you ready smash it first
Gotta smash it.
other
It's a knife, Tina.
No.
garlic ค่ะ garlic นั่นน่ะ shallot
Oh, not shallot. Garlic. Oops.
garlic is one of the you see next
Wrong.
time you listen to
I wasn't listening.
Come on, Tina.
I know. I just need a little more time.
You know how to mince garlic. We minced the fuck out of our shallots, though.
Yeah, we did.
Our shallots
We
are
smashed.
smashed.
Steph is slightly slicing me.
Gently sliced.
Yeah. Into the thinnest slices.
We're like,
We want to get all the flavor out of that.
careful not to smash
Garlic.
the shallot.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Not to smash the shallot. Don't smash it. Our poor shallots are pulverized.
We have minced shallot. All right, these are the ingredients. That was China's ingredients.
Yes.
Hers looks better than mine.
These are all my ingredients.
That's
for
my
all the three
ingredients.
dishes
I
I'm
have some
making.
green curry stuff somewhere. I think it's in the middle somewhere over there.
So that's the egg and the chicken and the noodles. Chili. We're making the same thing most of us. Try chili.
Pretty good.
You're not mad at that chewing curry anymore?
I'm not.
Flashback.
Khao soy too.
Oh, yeah, am I khao soy?
No, you're not. You're green curry.
Yes. No. No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, everyone actually restart. We're gonna learn new pack.
So I'm gonna cook this.
For stir fry.
But I'll make it work
For
though.
stir fry, we have for pad Thai. For pad Thai, add ingredient from to
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
add for pad Thai.
End of flashback.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, and if you wouldn't mind,
Could you please subscribe to our channel? It would really mean a lot to us. Thank you very much. Bye. I'm not.
that's my pad Thai.
Yes. Yeah. Not too bad for the first time checking this one. I feel like a professional chef around here. And here's the final.
아니 많잖아. 이거 세 가지
Did it. Did it.
This is the best pad Thai I've ever had. Babe, can't wait till you try this. Marky, my son, his favorite dish, Thai dish ever is pad Thai. This the best pad Thai ever. So curious to see what he thinks.
Good.
So good, so good, so good.
That's pretty tasty there.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That's what a good wok and stir frying can do too, right?
We can buy us a wok. A good one.
Okay, I'm gonna try the coconut soup.
Pretty good. I'm gonna try my green curry. The one I was bitching about. I bet you it's fire.
Is it amazing? I tasted it and I thought it was the best green curry I had ever tasted.
That is fire. Holy.
I know. Babe, you made this.
Yeah, that's really good.
Like you smashed up, you actually made your own curry paste.
You want to
Amazing.
champion my
Amazing.
That green curry is so
Okay.
holy. She's gonna give us the cookbook for all this stuff.
Oh my god. But do you think we're gonna be able to make it at home like this? Oh my god.
I'll figure it out.
I pray. There is an Asian market at home that we can go to, that we do go to. Now we know what we're looking for, I think. Ish. We have it on tape, a lot of it. Anyway.
A lot of it inside.
Okay, now I'm gonna go into my khao soi. Okay. This is the dish of Chiang Mai.
That's what I'm mad about.
It's the sad face.
It's
Really good. It's pretty spicy. It's still delicious.
That is valid spicy.
Spicy, huh? I don't know how I made it so spicy.
It's still good though, but it's kicking ass.
So I'm like, what do I like the most? What do I want to keep eating? I mean, I like everything. But that pad Thai is fire. I want to go back in right now. I really, really need to slow down because next week we're going to be at the beach. And I haven't been in a bikini since Mexico. And you've seen me eat.
August.
I've been eating a lot.
September actually. No, August.
I'm nervous. But I'm still going to eat my way through Asia.
Hell yeah. You kidding me? So I never knew you added the rice to the sweet mixture.
Keep mixing, David.
Thank you.
You're doing great. It looks
Press it down.
This looks promising.
It does. It looks great. Come on, baby. Mix, 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 mix.
We use for crispy mung bean for on top. Again, may I just take
Ooh, that flour there is what gave the sticky rice the color.
Yes. I like Chino. I know Chino likes sticky rice, so
I do.
he's gonna give her all that sticky.
on 7th grade.
It's like a Rice Krispie treat. What you got, Gina?
I'm trying to set up the shot here. Trying to set up the shot.
You just made mango sticky rice. Didn't think about that. Didn't think that'd happen when I woke up this morning.
You did it.
We did it. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. It better be good. We sweated our asses off making this stuff.
What a perfect way to end this meal.
Yeah.
We started it with Thai tea, and it was amazing.
Yes.
It was the first time I've ever made Thai tea. And now, we're ending with mango sticky rice. My favorite dessert of Thailand.
That's really good. Listen. One thing missing now is Leo. That's good.
And the color comes from this flour. So cool.
Well, guys, that's it for now. We'll come back a little later, maybe. Maybe
It was
not.
wonderful.
Yeah.
What a fantastic way to spend the day.
Awesome. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
So we were going through the market. I was on a different tour group, and I look over and I see Carmen, and I'm like, I turn and I double back, and I'm like, wait a minute, who is this person? And then I'm like, Breaking Bad rings a bell.
No way, you
Yeah.
really put it together.
I mean, I've seen it like 6 times.
That's crazy.
And you have a very important role in the first season or 2.
Thank you. Aw, David.
Oh,
thank you so
nice
much.
meeting you too. Take it easy. Get home safely. Yes.
Amazing. Super kind.
And Dean?
Absolutely amazing. Dean is so funny.
For my dad's birthday in February, I'm thinking about getting him a Dean cameo.
Oh, totally.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. And I'll send you one, whatever you want. Yeah, yeah. You let me know, and I'll send it.